Hey guys, haven't made a video in a little while. Not much going on in my YouTube world for you to see, but we just thought we would show you this trailer we picked up the other day on local buy and sell website. So what it is it's an old tent trailer, like a folding tent trailer, frame and chassis. And the fellow said he had replaced the axle and the wheels, and then he built this box on top of it. So it's kind of a utility work trailer, I guess. I mean, I don't think you can stand up in it, but you could put all your tools and stuff, or you could just park it beside your house and use it as a shed, guys. Sometimes in certain communities they won't let you build a shed, and something like this is nice because you can sort of park it on the side of the yard or on the driveway, put your stuff in it, use it, and it doesn't break bylaws. So it's kind of neat. Needs a little work, guys. It's got some rotten wood here, right there. And the side's not too bad. This seam piece here needs a little bit of work, but at the front we've actually got a hole in this. So we actually bought a new sheet of this. We bought some 1/4 inch. I guess it's called door skin. I'm not sure. I'm not a carpenter, guys, but we're going to replace this front piece with a new piece, and we're going to paint this thing same color. We're going to do the outside brown, service the wheel bearings, and we're going to flip it. We're going to put it up for sale, guys. Uh-oh. There it goes. So you can see inside it's just a big old box, guys. It's got some water staining in the corners, so it's not watertight, but someone put a lot of work into this. And yeah, there's some tie downs he gave us to put into the floor if you want to tie your ATV down in here or something. But hunting season is upon us, guys, and I think this will probably sell pretty quick when it's cleaned up and ready to go. So we're gonna, like you saw on the air compressor trailer, we're gonna tear this apart bit by bit, clean it, paint it, put it back together, post it up for sale. I'll put an update in the comment notes when it sells, let you know what it went for. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.